If there's one thing that silently speaks of sophistication, it's a woman's scent. Ever noticed how truly refined women never wear overpowering perfumes or fragrances that vanish within minutes? Instead, they have a signature scent, a subtle yet unforgettable trail of elegance. Now think of a woman with true class, not just someone who flaunts expensive brands, but one who embodies grace. She never smells like artificial body mists covering up sweat or an overwhelming fragrance that announces her presence before she even arrives. Instead, her scent is a whisper of refinement, not a shout. But here's the secret. It's not just about the perfume you choose. It's about how you care for your skin, your clothes, and even how you apply fragrance. After all, what's the point of investing in a luxurious scent if it fades before lunch or, worse, mixes with unpleasant odors? The good news? There's a way to prevent that. If you want to smell like luxury from morning till night, here are 6 powerful secrets that make any woman smell like $1 million. By the way, if you're passionate about elegance and want to elevate your lifestyle, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll teach you how to turn your refinement into an asset. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. The hidden power of fresh, clean hair. In the 90s, messy, unwashed hair became trendy thanks to the grunge movement. But let's be real, elegant women never followed that trend. They understood something science has proven. Clean, well-groomed hair makes you appear more trustworthy, polished, and even more attractive. However, washing your hair too often can dry it out, while not washing enough leads to excess oil and unpleasant odors. And a common mistake? Spraying perfume directly on your hair. It might seem like a quick fix, but the alcohol in most fragrances can damage your strands over time. Instead, invest in a high-quality shampoo suited to your hair type, and use a lightweight dry shampoo between washes. Be mindful of product quality. Cheap dry shampoos can leave a white residue, making it look like you dusted your hair with baby powder. A fresh, natural scent in your hair is a silent but powerful signal of self-care. Number 2. Hydrated skin. The secret to long-lasting fragrance. Cleopatra bathed in milk, and Marilyn Monroe layered Chanel No. 5 over petroleum jelly. Even royalty relied on perfumed oils. Why? Because hydrated skin holds fragrance better. Dry skin absorbs perfume like a sponge but evaporates it quickly. On the other hand, moisturized skin locks in scent, making it last up to 40% longer. So, before applying your fragrance, ensure your skin is well hydrated. However, not all lotions are equal. Some clash with your perfume, creating an unpleasant mix. The key is to choose unscented or lightly fragranced lotions that complement your signature scent. Love floral perfumes? A rose-infused lotion enhances the effect. Prefer warm, woody notes? Sandalwood or vanilla-infused oils add depth. And for an expert trick, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly on your pulse points before spraying your perfume. It makes the scent last all day. Number 3. Your home and clothes smell like you. Have you ever met someone who smells amazing, but their clothes or home carry a stale scent? Even the most expensive perfume can't mask unwashed fabrics. Princess Grace of Monaco ensured her palace always smelled impeccable, not with artificial air fresheners, but through pristine cleanliness. Clothes absorb scents, and fabrics that aren't washed frequently can sabotage your freshness without you realizing it. The secret is to use mild detergents that don't overpower your perfume and choose fabric softeners with subtle, complementary notes. Never underestimate the power of fresh bed linens. Changing your sheets weekly doesn't just improve sleep, it keeps your scent fresh and inviting. Number 4. A shower is more than just a routine. Audrey Hepburn once said, "For attractive lips, speak kind words. For lovely eyes, seek out the good in people." But none of that matters if your hygiene is neglected. A quick rinse isn't enough. Areas like the underarms, feet, and behind the ears accumulate odor-causing bacteria. Proper cleansing with natural, oil-infused soaps like lavender or sandalwood leaves a subtle, long-lasting freshness. And here's an overlooked detail. Your breath. No amount of perfume can mask the scent of lingering coffee or strong foods. Instead of chewing gum, brush your tongue thoroughly and use an alcohol-free mouthwash. True elegance starts with total freshness. Number 5. Your diet shapes your scent. What you eat influences how you smell. Some foods, like garlic and onions, release compounds through the skin for hours, even up to a day. But before you swear off flavorful food forever, there's a solution. Eating chlorophyll-rich foods like parsley and spinach helps neutralize strong odors. Staying hydrated also flushes out toxins that could affect your scent. Want to enhance a naturally fresh aroma? Eat fruits like pineapple, strawberries, and citrus. They contain antioxidants that subtly improve body fragrance. Number 6. The right deodorant is a game changer. You could be wearing the most stunning outfit, but if sweat stains and body odor make an appearance, the illusion is shattered. Sweat itself is odorless. The problem starts when bacteria break it down. That's why simply showering isn't enough. Choosing the right deodorant is key. Antiperspirants block sweat, but can cause irritation. Natural deodorants prevent odor, but don't always last all day. The best choice would be a neutral or lightly scented deodorant that enhances, not overpowers your perfume. And for extra freshness, breathable fabrics and carrying wet wipes can keep you feeling clean all day. The final secret: your presence is more than just a scent. Smelling divine is just one part of exuding elegance. But there's a deeper secret. How you move, speak, and carry yourself defines your presence. Some women wear luxury brands from head to toe, but still lack true sophistication. Why? Because elegance isn't about price tags. It's about aura. Now tell me in the comments, what's your go-to fragrance tip? Let's see who made it this far. And if you're ready to embrace a lifestyle of elegance, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.